These are my favorite Amazon finds for taking care of my braces. First is this mouthwash. I like it because it's nice and gentle and doesn't burn my mouth. Next on the list is floss. Platypus brand is the best. If your teeth are hurting really bad, for some reason the way this is shaped really helps minimize the pain when you're flossing. And it has a little brush at the end. But if you're on a budget, this brand works too, but just not as good. For some reason, this one hurts really bad when I floss. Here's both the floss picks side by side so you can see. So these are pretty neat. It's wax. It's like wax, but you don't have to take it off to eat or drink. And it comes in these little travel-friendly packs. You just take them out and press them on, and your saliva activates it. This right here is a cute little toothbrush. It's actually for kids, but the shape of it is what really sold me. I use it to clean my braces. It fits perfectly around my braces. And it's got a little suction at the bottom, which I'm not sure how a kid's supposed to do it because I couldn't even do it. And this next toothbrush, I usually carry around with me. I got a multi-pack of them, and I put it in a little Ziploc, and I carry it around with me. This one is V-shaped. The bristles are really, really soft, and it helps get food out of my braces really easily. Next is this water pick. If you like the pressure so high that it blows your gum off your teeth, this one's it. It's got a huge water reservoir. I like how I can detach it from the actual water pick because that thing does need to get cleaned. The wire is very long, so you can stretch it out, and it comes with detachable brush heads. You can floss or massage, and you can turn it all the way up to 10 and pressure wash your gums off. And these are all the attachments that come with it. I obviously have not used them all, but I'm sure they are very helpful. And the best is for last, my Philips Sonicare toothbrush. I love this toothbrush, and it's older than my 9-year-old. Did you see anything you like for your braces care?